Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to you all. My name is Koirul Nisa and I'm from Universitas Dianuswantoro. Today I will present my article is titled Analysis of Aspect Affecting Tax Avoidance with Leverage, Sales Growth, and Corporate Risk Parameter. Background and problem. Tax are a crucial component in supporting state revenue. In a report by the Tax Justice Network, Indonesia lost 2.81 billion US dollar or 45.7 trillion rupiah in state revenue per year due to global tax abuse in 2024. Tax avoidance is therefore an important issue to examine as it can affect government revenue, corporate image, and investor confidence. The following is a table of research gap. According to Fitria et al. And Santo NSDT, leverage has an effect, whereas according to Fadila and Juanda, it has no effect. Furthermore, variable sales growth has an effect according to Riyadi and Takarini and Tabalisa et al. Well, it has no effect according to Soliha and Rahmiati and Kurtusi and Anggraini. Unless variable corporate risk has an effect according to Sari and Ramli and Rahmika et al. Well, it has no effect according to Dewi and Bashir and Rahmawati et al. Although various factors have been studied, previous research findings showed inconsistent results regarding the effect of leverage, sales growth, and corporate risk. Therefore, the study aims to fill this gap. Objectives and methods. The study aims to analyze the aspects that influence tax avoidance using parameters of leverage, sales growth, and corporate risk. The research model is based on Against theory, which places tax avoidance as an independent variable with the measuring instrument used paying book tax different and the dependent variable being leverage, sales growth, and corporate risk. The research method used is quantitative. The data was obtained from the company's annual report, which were accessed through the official website www.idec.id and the website of each energy sector company. The population in the study includes energy sector companies listed on the IDEX for the period 2022-2024. And sample consists of 80 sample obtained using progressive sampling. In this content, this relationship between against theory and tax avoidance practice lies in the potential conflict of interest between against and principle. Therefore, in this hypothesis, it's suspected that leverage has a positive effect on tax avoidance. In the second hypothesis, it is suspected that sales growth has a positive effect on tax avoidance. In the third hypothesis, it is suspected that corporate risk has an effect on tax avoidance. Result and discussion. The table showed that the significance value of leverage is 0.034, which is less than the significance level of 5%, indicating that leverage has an effect on tax avoidance. Sales growth show a significant value of 0.899, which is greater than the significance level of 5%, indicating that sales growth has no effect on tax avoidance. Corporate risk show a significant value of 0.084, which is greater than the significant level of 5%, so corporate risk has no effect on tax avoidance. In the F-test, the significant value is 0.014, so simultaneously leverage, sales growth, and corporate risk simultaneously affect tax avoidance. However, the adjusted R-square value is only 0.096 or 9.6%, indicating that leverage, sales growth, and corporate risk can explain the dependent variable by 9.6%, while the remaining 90.4% is influenced by other factors and not included in the study. The result of the study indicate that leverage affect tax avoidance. This suggests that companies with high level of leverage will tend to engage in tax avoidance. This part against the theory and is consistent with previous researchers who argue that this behavior is influenced by conflict between against and principle. Conversely, sales growth and and corporate risk have no effect on tax evasion, indicating that sales growth and corporate risk are not major factor in determining this practice. This suggests that companies are experiencing high growth and risk might be subject to closer scrutiny by tax authorities. Next, implication of findings. The study support against theory by showing that leverage has a significant effect on tax avoidance, while sales growth and corporate risk are not significant. It indicates that not all financial indicators have an effect, so that opening up opportunities for further research with non-financial variable or other theoretical perspective. For policymakers, companies with high leverage require stricter supervision and regulation related to debt transparency and interest expense reporting shall be strengthened to limit opportunities for tax avoidance. For corporate manager, leverage needs to be carefully managed so that financing strategies do not lead to legal risks associated with tax avoidance. For practitioners such as auditor and tax consultant, leverage can serve as a key indicator in assessing corporate tax risk. Thank you.